Here, next question, light enters from air to glass, that means rare medium to dense medium, having refractive index 1.50. What is the speed of light in the glass? The speed of light in vacuum is 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. So first we have given refractive index of the glass. So refractive index of the glass is what? Speed of light in air and speed of light in object. So 1.5 is given, that is refractive index, and speed of light in vacuum, that is 3 into 10 to the power 8 upon speed of light in glass. Now we have to find out speed of light in the glass. So we will calculate the speed of light in glass equal to 3 into 10 to the power 8 meter upon 1.5. So it will become 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. That means 3 can be divided by 1.5 2 times. So it will become 2 into 10 to the power 8, and that will be your answer. That is, speed of light in glass will be 2 into 10 to the power 8 meter per second. Next question. A convex lens form a real and inverted image of a needle at a distance of 50 cm from it. Where is the needle placed in front of the convex lens? Means we have given the position of the image and we have to find out the position of the object. If the image is equal to the size of the object, again it is given that size of the image and the size of the object are equal. Also find the power of the lens. So first we will find out the image is real, inverted, and of the same size as the object or needle. Therefore the needle must be placed at the same distance 15 cm from the lens. As the image is behind the lens, so the needle should be placed in front of the lens. Now, when the image formed by the convex lens is of the same size as the object, the distance of the object from the lens is 2f, that is at the center of curvature. So 2f is equal to 50 cm, then f is equal to 50 by 2, it means f is equal to 25 cm. Now focal length will be plus 25 cm as it is convex lens. So it can be written in meter, that is plus 25 upon 100. So it will become 0.25 meter. Now power of the lens will be 1 upon f. So 1 upon plus 0.25. That means power is 4 diopter. Next question. Find the power of concave lens of focal length 2 cm. We have to find out the power of concave lens whose focal length is 2 cm. So focal length is already given, that is f is equal to minus 2 meter because it is a concave lens. That's why we have taken minus 2 meter. Now power is equal to 1 upon f. So f has minus 2 meter, that's why P is equal to minus 1 by 2, that is minus 0.5 diopter. Next one is an object 5 centimeter in length is held 25 centimeter from a